In case you missed it, we replaced the voltage reference Zener and the secondary rectifier diode, but still no voltage on the output. I think it's about time we tested the switching transistor. Last time it gave us suspicious readings, so let's take it out. It's not being detected by the tester. Let's just replace it. 13001. I've got another high voltage transistor. This one is 13003. This one must be a better revision to this one. This one has a metal back plate to help with cooling, and also you can screw it on a heat sink. A show of hands, how many of you are optimistic and it's going to work?